Your Honor, I'd like to make my opening statement, please. May it please the court. My name is Counsel for the Future, and I'm here to represent a client who has a deep vested interest in the outcome of today's proceedings. My client is none other than your future self. We are here to present a case for hope, and we intend to prove that the version of you who has already reached the finish line is the loudest voice in the gallery. The defense may try to argue that you are practicing in a vacuum. They will attempt to introduce evidence suggesting that your struggles are unheard and that your daily grind is a matter of zero consequence. We intend to move for a summary judgment to dismiss those claims entirely. The record will show that every single stroke on your machine is being entered into an account that pays out in total professional mastery. We will demonstrate that your future self is not a silent observer. We will show that this individual is standing on the benches, rooting for your success with a fervor that borders on contempt of court. While you are dealing with the discovery phase of your career, my client is already enjoying the settlement. We are here to file an injunction against every negative thought that enters your mind. We will prove that the cheering from your future self is not just hearsay, but a verified fact that can be felt in every hour of your dedication. Prepare yourself for the testimony. We will show that the person you are becoming is proud of the person you are today. Let us now proceed to call our star witness to the stand. Your Honor, I'd like to call my first witness. Please state your name for the record. I am the current self of the reporter. And what is your current occupation? I am an apprentice of the machine. Are you aware that a witness is watching? I have heard rumors of such a person. Would you recognize your future self? I hope to meet them quite soon. Is it true that you feel a sense of fatigue? I do on occasion. Does the fatigue constitute a breach? No, it is merely a working condition. Have you ever considered a mistrial? The thought has crossed my mind. Why did you not file the motion? Because the future version of me is loud. Describe the sound of that voice. It is the sound of a cheering crowd. Where is this crowd located? At the end of the certification path. Are they holding any exhibits? They are holding an official license. And what does that license represent? It represents every hour of this trial. Is this witness currently shouting? I can hear them through the transcript. What exactly are they saying? They are telling me to keep writing. Do you admit that you have the speed? I admit that the speed is in discovery. Will you produce the speed today? I will produce all available evidence. No further questions for this witness. I would like to give my closing argument, Your Honor. Members of the jury, the evidence is in. We have heard the testimony and the record is perfectly clear. The person standing before you today is not just a student or a reporter in training. You are the primary exhibit of a dream in motion. My client, your future self, rests their case on your discipline. The defense has tried to argue that you are wasting your time. They want you to believe that the statute of limitations on your ambition has run out. But we have proven that the cheering you hear from the gallery is not a fluke. It is a mandate. It is the sound of a verdict that has already been decided in your favor. You have been handed a machine that serves as the ultimate stenographic bench. You are the judge, the jury, and the sole architect of the record. Do not allow the proceedings to be derailed by the hearsay of your own fears. Your future self is not just watching, they are standing in the aisles shouting for your victory. They are cheering for the hours you spent in discovery. They are proud of the motions you filed when you wanted to quit. They are celebrating the fact that you refused to enter into a plea deal with mediocrity. As you prepare to return to your keys, know that the court of your career finds you more than capable. We ask for a final verdict of total success. Let the record reflect that you have met every challenge with the force of a supreme ruling. The defense rests, the prosecution rests, and, most importantly, your future self is standing in applause.